Please watch the full video for new giveaway announcement, and also don't forget to subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels for any new updates. With that being said, let's get into the video. So step number 1, you're gonna log in into the app, and step 2, you're gonna choose a 100% done for you campaign, and step 3, you can click and activate the app, and boom, as simple as that. And that's exactly how I go from $0 to making $48 on day 1, and on day 2 I make $222, and on day 3 I make over $500. This app is available worldwide, and you can do this on your mobile phone or you can do this on your computer. Now don't worry, because this is very beginner friendly and fully automated so that you can make money even on day 1. So in this quick video, I'll show you real life example and also bonuses that can help you to make money online starting today, so make sure you keep watching. So right now, first of all, I want you to go on to clickbank.com. Now once you come over to the homepage of this website, I want you to click on this blue button right here to sign up for a free account. So as you can see here, the sign up is 100% free. You can choose on your country right here. They're accepting people from anywhere in the world. And so you can just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and just sign up for a free account, as simple as that. So right now, once you're able to log in your account, you can go on to the marketplace of ClickBank, where you can find different categories of products that you can promote, as you can see here. So right now, I want to show you the best way to make money on this website is to focus on the weight loss category. So right now, I want you to click on this button right here, which is health and fitness. Click on this arrow button, and then I want you to click on this category, which is diets and weight loss. That's gonna take you to this page where you can find different products. For example, custom keto diet, where they're gonna pay you on average $40 for every single sales that you make. Say for example, this second product right here, which is Cinderella solution, you get paid $41 whenever you make a sale on this website. Now don't worry, because in just a moment, I'll show you a 100% done for you app that can do all the work for you so that you can start making money on day 1. So I want to quickly announce the first winner of today's video. Congratulations to Joyce, and make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels for future updates. So if you want to promote these products and earn $27 in commission over and over again, all you gotta do is just click on this promote button right here. And as you can see here, they're gonna pop up this new page, and of course you can do this on your computer, you can do this on your phone. Now as you can see here, they pay you 75% commission of every customers that you refer to these products. So right here, when you click on this red button right here, generate hot links, and this is actually your affiliate links, meaning whenever people click on this link right here, they are gonna go on to the website of the smoothie diet. So whenever people buy these products using your affiliate links, okay, using your referral links, you're gonna earn commission online on average $27 over and over again. Now this is actually a very good way to earn money online, because you can simply promote other people's products and you can earn commissions over and over again. But the biggest problems for new beginners is that they don't know how to properly promote the products, and that's the reason why I want to show you this 100% done for you app, which is Cash Cow. Now you can access this app right here by using the first link in the video description. So as you can see here, these are a few 100% done for you website that I created using Cash Cow. These 2 websites, it makes me over $700 in over the last 3 days. So don't worry, I'm going to show you a step-by-step demo right now. So once you get access to the homepage of this app, you can just go and click on this green button right here to create a new site. So in this video, I want to show you an example on how you can promote this product right here, which is a weight loss products, and you can earn $27 commission whenever people buy on this page. So as you can see here on this app, you can find a lot of 100% done for you campaign. So in this case, if we want to promote a weight loss products, we're going to use a more appropriate website, for example this one right here, and then we'll just click on this green button right here to launch the builder. So as you can see here, that's going to take you to this page where you can edit everything that you want. You can change the background, you can change the text, you can change the color, whatever you want. But the coolest thing about this is that, as you can see here, with just one click of a button, you can create an entire professional website, as you can see here, and you can start promoting different products on ClickBank, on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, or any other affiliate networks, and you can earn a lot of commissions online. So once you come over to this page, you can literally do not change anything, because everything is proven to work. And that's exactly how I go from $0 to making $48 on day 1, and on day 2 I make $222, and on day 3 I make over $500. What I want you to do is just go in and click on this gear settings button right here and click on form, and when you scroll down below here, this is where we're gonna copy and paste our affiliate links into this box right here, and this website will automatically help us to promote the affiliate products. So as you can see here, this is my affiliate links of the smoothie diet products. So just gonna click on this button right here to copy my affiliate affiliate links, and then I'm going to go back to my Cash Cow app and just paste my affiliate links into this box, and make sure you tick on this one right here, which is custom action. So right now I want you to scroll down below and click on apply changes and click on the save now button on top. So as you can see here, the site has been saved successfully, as simple as that. So right now we're gonna look into the preview of this website that we just created. So just go and click on this button right here, which is preview, and then you can see here this is the website that we just created without any experience, with just one click of a button. And all we do is just copy our affiliate links and put it into this page right here, and this is how we can create a brand new website and able to start making money and promote any products, even on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate products. And you can get a lot of trainings as well. As you can see here, these are all the done for you training and step-by-step instruction to show you how you can increase your earning, how you can set up everything in less than 10 minutes. So right now when people visit our website, they're just gonna put in their name, their email address, and when they click on this button right here, they're gonna go on to the sales page, and if they eventually click on this button and buy these products, we can actually earn $27 in commission on just one sale, which is crazy. You can make a lot of sales every single day on complete autopilot. And also the reason why this app is so powerful is because on top of just helping you promote the affiliate products, they also help you to collect the email address of the potential buyers. So once you collected their email address, this app right here, Cash Cow, they're gonna automatically help you to send automated email follow-up sequence and help you to promote other different products. For example, custom keto diet, and you can earn $40. For example, you can promote Cinderella solution and you can earn $41 over and over again. And once again, if you want to get instant access to Cash Cow, you can use the first link in the video description and you can receive a special discount and a lot of bonuses, and I explain to you right now exactly what this is all about. New push button app lets you monetize 1 billion potential buyers for passive income within minutes, and this is how I make over 700 within the first 3 days of trying out this brand new app. So I highly recommend you to watch this video all the way until the end. They're gonna explain to you much more information about Cash Cow. And once again, this is stupidly simple. You are only 4 clicks away from your own Cash Cow machine and start earning money. Okay, click number 1, you can choose the done for you pages, and step 2, you can activate their built-in free traffic system and email automation. And step number 3, you can pick a pre-approved offer and just put in your affiliate links. And then step number 4, you can start watching the profit rolling into your account like clockwork. And also one very common question that I receive is that, hey Branson, can I use this app for other different affiliate networks? And the answer is yes, because you can promote other high ticket offers. You can promote products from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate networks, or even CPA offers. And also in the future, if you want to promote your own products or e-commerce products, you can use Cash Cow as well. So if you use the special invitation link below, you can get a huge discount on Cash Cow right now. You can just pay a small one-time fee of $19 only, and you can get everything and all the app and all the training and also support that can help you to start making money. And once again, if you miss this opportunity, you have to pay $197 every month. So make sure you lock in your early bird discount right now, because the price will jump every 30 minutes. And also, if you use the special invitation link below, you can get $3,688 in free bonuses. Right, first of all, bonus number 1, you can get a $2,000 a day live invite. It's a free training that's included in this app that can help you to make $2,000 in a day. This training alone worth $1,997, and you can get it for free if you use the special link below to get instant access to the Cash Cow software. And bonus number 2, you can get a discount coupon that worth over 90% discount off right now during the early bird launching. And also bonus number 3, you can get an agency license of Cash Cow. Bonus number 4, you can get access to the Facebook community and coaching group where you can make friends with other people who are trying and learning on how to make money online, and you can ask any question you want to the coaches inside, which they have a lot of experience to help you whenever you face any problems. And finally, you can get started today with literally 0 risk on your shoulder, because they give you 100 days triple your money back guarantee. Now if you use this app and start making money, it's all good, right? You can keep the app, you can keep all the money that you make. Now if anything goes wrong within 100 days, you can ask for a full refund and get every single penny back, and they're gonna give you triple your money back, which is incredible. And the reason why the creator of Cash Cow is so confident to provide you with all of this guarantee, because they're confident that their app, their software is able to actually help you to make money. That's why they're so confident to give you this guarantee, so you can get started today with literally 0 risk. Once again, go down below and click on the first first link in the video description and then log in your special discount and all the bonuses using the first link below. And once again, make sure you log in before the special discount expires. And I'm really sorry if the discount expires by the time when you're watching this video. Hopefully I could make it in time and share this new opportunity with you. So right now, all you gotta do is just click on this yellow button right here, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can complete your purchase on the secure checkout page. So right now, as you can see here, instead of $197 per month, you can just pay a small one-time fee of $19 only if you use the special link below, and you can instantly save $178, which is 90%, which is crazy. So just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and you can pay via PayPal or credit card or debit card, and just go and click on this checkout button. And that's exactly how I go from $0 to making over $785 over the first 3 days of trying out this brand new app. So right now, I just want to quickly announce the second winner of today's video. Congratulations to IM, and make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels for new future updates. Go ahead and click on the first link below this video and get started right now, and I'll see you on the inside.